Hi all of you. Today I'm going to tell you about my hometown. My hometown is in Bắc Ninh province, where it's located in the Red River Delta of the northern part of Vietnam. It is the smallest province of Vietnam by area and is situated to the east of the nation's capital, Hanoi. It borders Bắc Giang province, Hưng Yên province, Hải Dương province, and Hanoi. The province covers an area of 822.71 square kilometers. The province name literature means Northern Serenity. My hometown, Bắc Ninh, is so rich in cultures. It is famous for quan họ folk music. Quan họ were recognized as an intangible cultural heritage by the UNESCO in 2009. People in my hometown can sing quan họ folk music very well. Furthermore, they are very friendly, opening, and hospitable. I love my hometown so much. It is always in my heart.